Hello everybody, Truman 5000 here. Got another little video for you. We are outside, front yard. It's about 30 degrees. Thought I'd show you the latest Switchblade in the Crazy Truman collection. Let's see, we got a Frank Beltrame 11-inch swinger in stag. Bayonet blade. Oh yeah. Alright, first of all, I got this from Lightning Out the Front Knives.com. Yep, lightningoutthefrontknives.com. And it is very, very clean. She came nice and functional right out the box, as they should. As you can see, she's got that snap that the Frankie B's are famous for. And just a great example of an Italian Switchblade. I probably won't be able to get it here, but it does have Frank B. Italy on the tang there somewhere. Alright. Yeah. Like I said, 11-inch. It's a lockback, so it's no secret to, closing them. Like I said, she came nice and clean, brand new. Got it from lightningoutthefrontknives.com. They're on Instagram. They constantly post what they have in inventory, so what you see is definitely what you can get. Alright. This is a very, very good example. I really wasn't looking for one, but when the opportunity's there, you might as well go ahead and jump on it. Nice, highly polished blade, bayonet style, swing guard. Oh yeah, beautiful knife. The safety does work. I'll give you a little demo on that. Alright. Boom, boom, boom. Boom. There we go. Well, this one really doesn't have to be that long. 11-inch Frankie B in stag swinger. Alright. I paid $160 total, for the shipping and PayPal fees. So, not bad. I think the last swinger I bought was like $140 plus $10 shipping. So, add a couple of years and it's about right there. So, there you go. From Lightning Out the Front. Really nice, really clean. Nice thick slabs of stag on there. When you buy stag, each knife is unique. I got a little bit of sway back on the back, but you're dealing with a natural material. Everything evens out. Like I said, it is 30 degrees out here, y'all. It's cold. There's the knife. Truman 5000 is